Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today we're going to be unboxing a product from Sana Direct. This has come via Amazon and I've already opened the box to make getting at it a little bit easier. However, I've not had a proper look. So it comes nicely packaged. Bit of crinkly paper, plastic wrapping. This looks like a really nice storage container. Good and sturdy. Let's have a look, see what you get inside. So you can see 2 sheets of stickers, which are really nice quality, good size, perfect for the storage that we've got here. These are the sort of Tictac containers, although they're smaller than the actual Tictac product. These are, I've got some sizing here, 2.5 by 5 by 1.2. So I'm not sure exactly how many you would get in there. I've never used the Tictac containers before, so it will be interesting to see. You can take the whole lid off, of course, to enable you to fill them easily, and then they've got their pouring spout for when you are pouring them into your tray. So here we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. So we've got 28, and hopefully the same in all of these. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 28, 18, 20, 22, 26. So that gives us 84. So we've got 84 of the Tictac containers, and then we've also got a selection of bonus little tools. The other nice thing I've just noticed about the storage container is that you can in fact move the, or remove rather, the inserts, so that if you want to arrange them slightly differently, then you can do that without any problem. So in here, we've got a selection of pink pens. We've got, I think those are 3 places, maybe 2, 3 places I think. So we've got 2 pink pens with small places. These ones have got multi places, but they are slightly angled. I've not had any like this before. So that'll be interesting to see if that makes it easier. Yeah, those are interesting. Normally I sort of discount the pink pens because I don't really use them, but those multi-places will be interesting. We've got a couple of pairs of the black plastic tweezers. We've got a large bag of bags, and they are good quality, quite thick. Yeah, and there's, as you can see, lots in there. We've got 2 green trays and 2 moss for boats. So that is everything that we've got. Having never used these before myself, I'm not sure exactly how much they will hold or whether they are particularly fiddly to use, but I will use them for one of my next projects and then I can report back to you about how I've found them. But for the time being, these are currently available on Amazon from Sana Direct. They are £13.99 with Prime free 1-day delivery. That gives you a £2 saving on their full price of $15.99. This is certainly enough for you to kit up most paintings. Anyway, I'm going to leave that here for now, and then I will report back once I have kitted something up and tried it out. As always, the links for these products will be down in the description. Please do consider leaving a like. If you enjoy my videos, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next one.